Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by adding the image and making it OCR ready. First, insert the picture directly into your OneNote page via paste, drag, or insert pictures. Make sure it's the final framing. Once the image is in place, crop any excess, rotate to upright, and increase contrast or brightness so text stands out. You do this because OCR accuracy depends on legible, high-contrast text. After adjusting, let OneNote save the change. This triggers its background OCR indexing. Next, you'll extract and use the recognized text. Right-click the image and choose Copy Text from Picture. Paste the result into a note or document where you can edit. Alternatively, use the context option to make text and image searchable so OneNote indexes it for find across notebooks. For handwriting, be patient. Recognition can take longer and often needs manual corrections. Make sure to proofread and reformat pasted text because OCR returns plain characters without original styling or layout. Finish by cleaning and saving your extracted text. You should proofread, fix misread characters, and reapply headings or bullets so the content is useful. Once done, sync the notebook to ensure the OCR layer is stored across devices. If OneNote didn't extract text, restart the app and force a sync. Often indexing resumes after that. Finally, if problems persist, recapture a clearer photo or run a dedicated OCR tool. Then paste corrected text back into OneNote for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.